In the fast-paced world we live in, it's no secret that many of us struggle with sleep. Whether it's the stress of daily life, the constant buzzing of our digital devices, or even a restless mind, getting a good night's rest can be challenging. But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural remedy that can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful slumber? Enter cherry juice, a delicious elixir that may be your ticket to sweet dreams. The science behind cherry juice: cherries, especially tart cherries, are packed with sleep-promoting compounds that can work wonders for your nightly rest. Research suggests that cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. This makes them an excellent addition to your bedtime routine. 1. Melatonin content: cherries, particularly tart cherries, contain relatively high levels of melatonin. Consuming melatonin-rich foods can help reset your internal clock and improve your sleep quality. 2. Antioxidants: cherries are rich in antioxidants, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. A calm and less inflamed body can facilitate a more peaceful night's sleep. 3. Phytochemicals: cherries are also packed with various phytochemicals, such as anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved sleep duration and quality. The benefits of cherry juice for sleep. 1. Faster sleep onset: one of the most significant advantages of cherry juice is its ability to help you fall asleep faster. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cherry juice, specifically tart cherry juice, can reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, known as sleep latency. 2. Improved sleep quality: not only does cherry juice help you fall asleep faster, but it can also enhance the overall quality of your sleep. Many individuals report experiencing more restful and undisturbed sleep when they incorporate cherry juice into their daily routine. 3. Reduction in insomnia symptoms: if you suffer from insomnia or have trouble staying asleep, cherry juice can be a valuable natural remedy. The melatonin and antioxidants in cherries can help alleviate insomnia symptoms, making it easier for you to enjoy uninterrupted sleep. How to incorporate cherry juice into your sleep routine. Now that you know the sleep-inducing benefits of cherry juice, here are some tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Choose the right type: opt for 100% pure cherry juice, preferably made from tart cherries, as they have higher melatonin content. Avoid cherry juices with added sugars or artificial ingredients. 2. Timing matters: about an hour before bedtime, have a small glass of cherry juice. The natural sugars in cherries can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, which can aid in maintaining a steady, uninterrupted sleep throughout the night. 3. Experiment with mixes: get creative with your cherry juice. You can blend it with other sleep-promoting ingredients like warm milk or herbal teas. Adding a hint of cinnamon can also enhance the flavor and provide additional sleep benefits. 4. Consistency is key. To experience the full sleep-improving effects, make cherry juice a regular part of your nightly routine. Cherry juice is a delightful and natural solution to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful night. With its melatonin content, antioxidants, and other sleep-promoting properties, cherry juice can be a delicious addition to your nightly wind-down routine. If you're looking for an easy and tasty way to improve your sleep, don't overlook the power of this sweet, red elixir. Say goodbye to restless nights and embrace the restorative magic of cherry juice for a peaceful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Sweet dreams await.